How to create a new account on Bitget. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step process on how you can easily sign up for a new account on the Bitget app. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel as well. Now, let's jump right in. The very first thing that you need is the app, which you can find on Google Play Store and App Store. And once the app is installed, make sure to open it up. Once you open up the app, you will see this welcome page. So just go ahead and tap on continue. And now it will ask you for some permissions like notifications and stuff. Alright, so once you land on the home page, all you need to do now is tap on the three lines. And on the top left, once you tap on it, you'll have two options, login or sign up. If you already have an account, you can directly log into it, or if you don't have one, you can just tap on sign up. Now, all you have to do is provide your email address, and then from here, create your password and tap on create account. You can also continue with your Google, your Apple ID, and Telegram account as well. You can also use your mobile number to create an account. So just go ahead and enter your email and password and verify your account. Once you have done all of that, you'll have to verify a short captcha. So go ahead and verify this, tap on OK, and then your account should be created. As you can see, the verification is successful. Now it will send you a security verification code on your email. You'll just have to enter that. And once you have verified your code, you can just allow it to unlock with fingerprint, or you can just do that later. And now you've successfully created your account. The next step is to verify your account. So you can just tap on verify. For this, you'll need a government issued document or ID like your passport, citizenship, or anything. And just follow the on-screen prompt to verify your ID. So that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next one.